Welcome to this quick tutorial on VISeek Easy Custom Search. In this video, I'll show you how to install the plugin, set it up, create a custom search form, and track what your visitors are searching for. First, we'll install and activate the plugin. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, Add New. In the search bar, type VISeek Easy Custom Search. Once you find it, click Install Now and then Activate. After activation, you'll see a new menu called VISeek in your WordPress sidebar. This is where you can access all of the plugin settings and features. Let's begin with the General Settings tab. Here, you can choose your default form, which will be used as the main search form across your site. Enable AJAX search if you want live results to appear as users type. This makes the search much faster and smoother. The Override Search Page option lets you replace WordPress's default search results page with VISeek's enhanced version. And finally, you can enable user logs and reports to record search activity and generate reports later. Once everything is set up, don't forget to click Save Changes. Next, let's look at the Word Process tab. This section allows you to manage stopwords. These are common or irrelevant words that you want the plugin to ignore when searching, such as the, a, or and. To add a new stopword, type the word into the field and click Add. You can also manage your existing stopwords or add several at once, separated by commas. Below that, the most common words in the log shows you which keywords users search for most often, giving you a clear picture of what your visitors are looking for. Now let's create a new custom search form. Go to Search Form Dashboard and click Add Form. Here you'll see two main sections. On the left, you have all the form options. This is where you enable or disable elements. On the right, you can preview the search form as you build it. Start by choosing what elements to include. You can show or hide the search button, enable filters by category, tag product category or product tag, and even show popular search terms. Customize the placeholder text, titles, and colors to match your site's design. You can also edit messages like No Results Found or View All Results to suit your tone. Once you're done customizing, click Save Form. Your new form will now appear in the list. Now that we've created our custom form, let's see how it works on the front end. Here you can see two different layout styles. Let's try a search. I'll type a keyword and use the filter options to narrow down the results. As I type, you can see that VISeek's AJAX search instantly displays matching results without reloading the page. It's smooth, fast, and much more responsive than the default WordPress search. Now, let's click the search button to view the full results page. Notice how VISeek's search results page looks and performs compared to WordPress's default version. Under the User Logs tab, you can see every search made on your site. Each log includes the user's name and email if they're logged in, or shows them as a guest, along with the search term, IP address, and the date it was performed. If needed, you can delete individual log entries at any time. Next, under Reports, you'll see your total searches, the most searched words, and a time-based chart that helps you understand search activity over specific periods. These insights can help you improve your site's content, SEO, and product offerings based on what people actually search for.